Okay, you guys, everything is in a slow cooker. I'm going to season it with a little garlic powder. I just add a little seasoning now, and I wait till it cook down some before I add the extra. This here is Mrs. Dash. Okay, so everything about ready to go there, you guys. I'm gonna put the lid on it. Make sure everything is in this pot. Okay, so everything is good to go. I have it on low, so I'm gonna wait till it cook down some more, you guys, and then I'm gonna add more of my seasoning. I have another smoked turkey wing that's gonna be later on for a different meal. I'm gonna put that up, you guys, and I'm gonna start to clean my kitchen. Here's my turkey sitting over here, ready to be clean and seasoning for tomorrow morning. So you hold on, guys, and I'll be back with the video. Bye bye now.